If you turn your ignition switch key all the way over to the start position and your engine does not start, there's no clicking sound or no sign at all, not even from a relay or the fuel shutoff solenoid. Keep watching this video and I'll show you some troubleshooting steps you can take to help you to determine where the fault lies. When troubleshooting a no start issue, always start with your battery. But always remember that a good and fully charged battery is a must when effectively troubleshooting a no start issue. If in doubt about the condition of your battery, remove the battery and carry it to a local auto parts store and ask them to test the battery for you. They will test the battery at no cost to you. This way you can rule out the battery or replace it and move on with your troubleshooting steps. Next, remove and check the condition of your fuse. If the fuse is blown, replace the fuse and check again to see if your engine will start. If the fuse is not blown, we need to determine if you're getting power to your ignition switch, and I will show you how to check it. Keep in mind that if your fuse is good and your battery is good, but you still have a no start issue, then your fuse holder or a bad wire from the fuse holder to the ignition switch could be at fault. Okay, to check if you're getting power to your key switch, remove the wiring connector from the back of your key switch. Then check the red wire in the connector to see if it lights your test light. If it does, that's confirmation that you are getting power from the battery to your ignition switch. This step will also confirm whether your fuse is blown, if your fuse holder is good, and if you have a faulty wire between the fuse holder and the ignition switch. This is a quick check. If you're getting power to your ignition switch, you should now be able to turn your key and the engine should start. If this video was helpful to you, like, share, and leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. And as always, thanks for watching.